Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a vodka margarita. First, gather your ingredients: 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. You'll also need a simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, to balance the flavors. Don't forget to chill your glass and prepare a salt rim if you like that classic touch. This ensures a perfectly refreshing drink from the very first sip. Now let's mix it up. Combine your 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur, and your simple syrup into a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker with ice, ensuring there's enough to properly chill the drink. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures all ingredients are thoroughly combined and perfectly chilled, creating that crisp, refreshing taste we're aiming for. To complete your perfect vodka margarita, it's all about the presentation. Garnish your drink with a fresh lime wheel or a simple lime wedge. For an extra layer of complexity, you might even consider adding a few drops of orange bitters. Serve your margarita immediately to ensure it's enjoyed at its optimal chilled temperature. Cheers to your delicious, homemade creation. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your vodka margarita experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavored vodkas, like citrus or berry, to create unique variations. You can also adjust the amount of simple syrup to perfectly match your personal sweetness preference. Remember, it's your drink, so make it exactly how you like it. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your delicious margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.